Hello, today I will show you how to make next 2 rounds of a blooming joy blanket. So, slip knot and let's start our round 89. In this round we will be working in skipped stitches of round 87, so first white round behind round 88, so behind our second white round. And we need to start with a standing cluster of 2 double crochet in last skipped stitch of the side of round 87. So here we have corner chain 2 space of round 87 and last skipped stitch is this one. So behind this round in this skipped stitch we need to do standing cluster of 2 double crochet like this. And now the repeat for this round is corner part, chain 3 and in chain 2 space of cluster of around 87 between 2 single crochet of round 88 made in same chain 2 space, we need to do cluster of 3 treble crochet. So in space between cluster of 3 treble crochet like this, in between these 2 single crochet made in same chain 2 space. Now chain 3 and cluster of 2 double crochet in first skipped stitch of the side of round 87 behind round 88. So this is our first skipped stitch. So in this stitch cluster of 2 double crochet like this. So this is corner part. And now along the side we will repeat chain 1 and cluster of 2 double crochet in next skipped stitch of round 87 behind round 88 like this. So chain 1, cluster of 2 double crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1 and cluster of 2 double crochet in next skipped stitch. So really easy repeat, and you need to continue it along this side until your last double cluster of 2 double crochet will fall in last skipped stitch of the side. Okay, I will do clusters all along this side and will join you to show how this side looks like. Okay, I am at the end of my side and now cluster of 2 double crochet in last skipped stitch of the side. And once all clusters with chain 1 space in between are done, your side looks like this. So really easy repeat. Okay, and you need to do it 3 more times, and I will show you how to go through the corner part 1 more time. So chain 3, cluster of 3 treble crochet in chain 2 space of round 87 between 2 single crochet of round 88 made in the same chain 2 space, working behind our previous round. So like this, cluster of 3 treble crochet. So like this, chain 3, oops, 1 2 3, And now cluster of 2 treble crochet in first skipped stitch of round 87, working behind round 88. So in this stitch, like this, chain 1 and cluster of 2 double crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, cluster of 2 double crochet in next skipped stitch, and so on, and your corner will look like this. Okay, continue around, and I will join you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Chain 1 and a cluster of 2 double crochet in next skipped stitch, and this is last skipped stitch, chain 1, and now I need to join to my standing cluster of 2 double crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut yarn, because next round will be in different color. So this is round 89 and it is done. Okay, it looks like this all along the side. Okay, round 90. So slip knot and let's begin. We need to start our round 90 with a standing front post double crochet around last cluster of 2 double crochet of the side. So here at the corner we have cluster of 3 treble crochet, and last cluster of 2 double crochet is this one. So around this cluster, standing front post double crochet like this. And now the repeat for this round is corner part. In chain free space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and treble crochet. So 4 stitches in total in same chain free space. Around this corner cluster, front post treble crochet, chain 1, and 1 more front post treble crochet around same cluster like this. Now in chain free space, treble crochet and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches in total. Front post double crochet around next cluster. So this is your corner part. And now along the side of this blanket you need to do the same short repeat. Double crochet in chain 1 space, front post double crochet around next cluster. Double crochet in chain 1 space, front post double crochet around next cluster, like this. And you need to continue until your last front post double crochet will be made around last cluster of 2 double crochet of the side, just before corner chain free space. Okay, I will do this and will join you to show how the side looks like once all double crochet and front post double crochet stitches are made. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Last double crochet and last front post double crochet around last cluster of 2 double crochet of the side, and this side looks like this. So okay, so this is your repeat for this round, and you need to do it 3 more times. So corner part 1 more time. In chain free space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and treble crochet. So 4 stitches in total in same chain free space. Around corner cluster, front post treble crochet, chain 1 and 1 more front post treble crochet. In chain free space, front treble crochet and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So 4 stitches in total in chain free space, and front post double crochet around first cluster of 2 double crochet of the side. And now along the side, double crochet in chain 1 space, front post double crochet, and so on. Okay, continue round, and I will join you at the end of this round to show you how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Last double crochet, last front post double crochet, and last double crochet, and now I need to join to my standing front post single double crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1 and confirm, because next round will be in different color. Okay, so this is round 19 and it is done. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.